Hello everybody, we just want to show you today some quick selection shortcuts in Excel. So typically you may be doing a lot of copying, pasting, selecting data. You want to know some quick shortcuts to get through this a little faster. Well, you may have already known that you can select an entire column by hitting the actual letter above. If you go ahead, that'll select the entire column, or you can go ahead and press Control Spacebar, and that will do the same thing, select the entire column's contents throughout the entire worksheet. Now you can do a similar thing with the rows if you go ahead and press the number, or if you press Shift Spacebar, that'll select the entire row. But some more useful selection tools is, say I wanted to take everything from IT down. You can actually press Control Shift down, and that will take all the data below that selected cell. The same thing works for going up. I can go Control Shift up. You'll notice here, it'll select everything from there up. Or if I wanted to go to the left or to the right, so if I wanted to go from the accounting all the way to the city, Control Shift left. Or if I wanted everything from department onward, Control Shift right. Now you'll find that to be more useful when you're trying to select particular data sets out of your data. Or you can go in and you'll notice here that if I press those same things, say I go Control Shift right, it only goes to the continuous end of the data. So from D to D, it will not continue on unless you do it again. So say if I wanted to go from D to D to all these blank spaces, if I press it again, it'll go throughout all the continuous blank spaces. Now if we go ahead and go back here, the same thing works for the left. It'll go to blank spaces, fill in the next one, have to do it again, and then I'll highlight the rest of the B's. Now another thing you might want to do is copy the entire worksheet over. You can always go and hold down Control and move the sheet over, and it'll create a copy for you. Or you can always go up to the top here, click here, it'll copy all the data. Select if you want to copy, delete it. Or but if you just wanted to say the D data set or the B data set, you go into the set, hit Control A, and they'll highlight that data set. But if you go ahead and Control A again, they'll highlight the entire worksheet. And I hope you found these selection tools helpful.